Have you ever caught a glimpse of your reflection and noticed those pesky dark spots on your face, hands, or arms? Those little marks that seem to sneak up over time, stealing a bit of your skin's glow and maybe even your confidence. If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Those spots, often called age spots, sunspots, or liver spots, can feel like uninvited guests on our skin, especially as we embrace our golden years. But here's the good news. You don't need fancy creams, costly treatments, or harsh chemicals to bring back that radiant, even-toned complexion you love. Tonight, I'm sharing a gentle, natural remedy that's been a game changer for countless people over 60 across the country. It's a simple, two-ingredient blend you can whip up at home with items you might already have in your kitchen. This isn't just about fading dark spots, it's about nurturing your skin, honoring its journey, and rediscovering that quiet confidence that comes with feeling great in your own skin. What makes this method so special? It's not just effective, it's kind to your skin, affordable, and backed by the wisdom of nature and science. I'm going to guide you step by step through this transformative process, share a little known ingredient that makes it work even better, and give you practical tips to ensure you see real results. Plus, I'll share inspiring stories from real people who've seen their skin glow again. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloom and Nourish. Before we dive in, I'd love for you to join our community of vibrant learners. If you find this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me share these time-tested remedies with more people like you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video packed with natural ways to care for yourself. And in the comments, let me know how you're feeling about those dark spots. Type 1 if you're ready to try something new, or 0 if you're skeptical but curious. I read every comment, and your thoughts help me create content that truly serves you. Now, grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's embark on this journey to brighter, healthier skin together. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Unraveling the mystery of dark spots. Dark spots don't just appear out of thin air. They're the result of years of your skin telling its unique story. To fade them effectively, it's helpful to understand what causes them and why they stick around. These flat, pigmented patches, often brown, tan, or gray, tend to show up on areas like your face, hands, shoulders, or back, places that have soaked up the most sun over the years. But sun exposure is just one part of the puzzle. As we age, our skin goes through natural changes. In our younger years, our skin is like a well-oiled machine, constantly renewing itself every 28 days or so. Special cells called melanocytes produce melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color, in a nice, even way. But over time, things like sunlight, pollution, and even hormonal shifts, think pregnancy, menopause, or certain medications, can make these cells go into overdrive. They start producing extra melanin in certain spots, creating those uneven patches we call dark spots. Here's something else to know. As we get older, our skin slows down. By your 60s or 70s, that renewal process can take 60 to 90 days, meaning damaged, pigmented cells hang around longer, making dark spots more noticeable. Plus, our skin's natural protective barrier weakens, and it's less able to fight off harmful molecules called free radicals, which come from sun and pollution and can make pigmentation worse. The key takeaway? Dark spots aren't just on the surface. They're rooted deep in your skin's layers, which is why most store-bought creams don't work. They can't reach far enough. To fade these spots, we need something that can penetrate deeply, work gently, and support your skin's natural healing. That's where our star ingredient comes in. Step 2. The magic of castor oil. Let's talk about castor oil, a natural gem that's been cherished for centuries in traditional remedies, from soothing achy joints to healing skin. What makes it so special for dark spots? It's packed with something called ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that makes up about 90% of the oil. This isn't your average oil. Ricinoleic acid can sink deep into your skin, up to 10 times better than oils like coconut or olive. It reaches the layers where those stubborn pigment clusters hide, gently breaking them down over time to lighten dark spots. But castor oil does more than fade spots. As we age, our skin gets thinner, drier, and more sensitive because it produces less oil and collagen. Castor oil steps in like a nurturing friend, hydrating deeply, calming irritation, and encouraging healthy new cells to grow. It's like a big drink of water for your skin, keeping it soft and comfortable without clogging pores. Not all castor oils are the same, though. Quality matters. Look for cold-pressed, organic, hexane-free castor oil. Cold pressing keeps all the good stuff intact, and hexane-free means no harsh chemicals that could irritate your skin. Avoid oils with added fragrances or preservatives. They can cause redness or discomfort, especially for mature skin. Take Linda, a 68-year-old from Florida. She used a cheap castor oil for weeks with no luck. After switching to a high-quality, cold-pressed version, she saw her dark spots start to fade in just 10 days, and her skin felt softer than ever. Her friends thought she'd been to a spa. If you're loving these tips so far, drop a 1 in the comments to let me know you're with me. Your support keeps me going. Step 3. Prepping your skin for success. Before applying our special blend, we need to get your skin ready to soak it all in. Think of your skin like a garden. If it's covered in weeds, the nutrients can't reach the roots. As we age, dead skin cells pile up because that renewal cycle slows down. Add in daily grime from makeup, sunscreen, or pollution, and you've got a barrier that blocks even the best treatments. Studies show that well-prepped skin can absorb up to 85% of a treatment's benefits, compared to just 15–20% for unprepared skin. So, how do we prep? Start with a gentle cleanse using a mild, fragrance-free cleanser and lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out your skin, making dark spots worse. Next, lightly exfoliate to clear away dead cells. No need for harsh scrubs. A soft washcloth or gentle exfoliating pad massaged in small circles for 30 seconds does the trick. Focus on your dark spots, but be gentle. Mature skin is delicate and can tear easily. After cleansing and exfoliating, pat your skin dry with a soft towel, no rubbing, and wait 2 to 3 minutes. This is when your skin's pores are open and ready to drink in the treatment. Sarah, a 71-year-old from Ohio, struggled with castor oil until she started this prep routine. In just a week, her skin was smoother, brighter, and her dark spots were noticeably lighter. 5 minutes of prep can change everything. Step 4. The secret booster, fine-grained sea salt. Now, here's the magic twist that takes this remedy to the next level, fine-grained sea salt. This isn't just for cooking, it's a skincare superstar. Your skin's outer layer, called the stratum corneum, acts like a shield, but it can block treatments from sinking in. Fine-grained sea salt gently creates tiny pathways, safe and non-irritating, that let castor oil's ricinoic acid dive deep to tackle those pigment clusters. Research shows sea salt can boost absorption by up to 300%, making it a perfect partner for castor oil. Sea salt also brings minerals like magnesium and zinc, which nourish your skin, reduce redness, and support healing. Together with castor oil, it's a powerhouse duo for mature skin. But choose wisely. Fine-grained sea salt is key. Coarse salt or table salt with additives can be too rough or irritating. Look for unrefined, high-quality sea salt labeled fine grain for smooth, safe results. To make the blend, mix 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed organic castor oil with just a pinch, 1/8 teaspoon, of fine-grained sea salt in a small glass or ceramic bowl. Stir until it's a smooth, slightly gritty paste, soft but with a touch of texture. Apply it with clean fingertips in gentle circles for 60 to 90 seconds, focusing on your dark spots. Leave it on overnight, then rinse in the morning with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser. John, a 70-year-old from Arizona, added sea salt to his castor oil routine after months of slow progress. In just 12 days, his dark spots faded and his skin glowed so much his grandkids noticed. 5 minutes of prep can change everything. Drop a 3 in the comments if you're excited to try this sea salt trick. Step 5. Applying it like a pro. Great ingredients only shine with the right technique. Applying this blend isn't about slathering it on, it's about precision and care. Use clean fingertips to massage the paste in slow, gentle circles for 1 to 2 minutes. This spreads it evenly and boosts blood flow, helping nutrients reach your skin while clearing out pigment. Avoid back and forth rubbing, it pushes the paste away. Timing matters too. Apply at night when your skin's repair mode kicks into high gear during sleep. Leave it on for 6 to 8 hours for maximum impact. If the paste feels thick, especially in cooler weather, warm it slightly by rubbing it between your palms or placing the container in warm water for a minute. It should feel cozy, not hot, to melt into your skin. Use a pea-sized amount per spot. Less is more. To keep it in place overnight, cover hand spots with breathable cotton gloves or facial spots with a soft cloth and gentle tape. Mary, a 73-year-old from California, mastered this technique and saw her dark spots fade dramatically in 3 weeks. Her secret? Gentle circles, nighttime application, and cotton gloves. Consistency is everything. Apply nightly for at least 6 weeks. If you skip a night, just pick back up. Drop a 4 in the comments if you're ready to make this a nightly ritual. Step 6. What to expect and how to stay patient. Fading dark spots is a journey, not a race. Your skin's renewal cycle slows with age, so results take time but are worth it. In 10 to 14 days, you might notice softer, brighter skin. By weeks 2 to 4, spots may start fading at the edges, blending better with your natural tone. By weeks 6 to 8, many see significant lightening, with newer spots shrinking or vanishing. Older, deeper spots may need a bit longer. Take Jane, a 69-year-old from New York. She felt nothing was happening after 2 weeks, but her sister pointed out her brighter complexion. By week 6, her spots were so faint, her friends thought she'd had a professional treatment. To track your progress, snap weekly photos in natural light, or keep a journal of changes in texture or tone. These small steps keep you motivated. Beyond fading spots, this blend hydrates, smooths, and strengthens your skin, boosting its overall health. If you miss a night, don't stress, just keep going. Your skin is resilient and you're giving it the tools to shine. Expect subtle changes in 10 to 14 days, noticeable fading by weeks 2 to 4, and big results by week 6 to 8. And there you have it, a simple, natural way to fade dark spots and nurture your skin with just 2 ingredients from your kitchen. You've learned why dark spots form, how to choose the best castor oil, the importance of prepping your skin, the power of fine-grained sea salt, the perfect application technique, and what realistic results look like with patience. More than just clearer skin, this is about embracing your skin's story and giving it the care it deserves. You're not just fading spots, you're celebrating your resilience and radiance at any age. What's one thing you're excited to try from this guide? Maybe it's the sea salt boost, the nightly routine, or taking those progress photos. Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story, and it might inspire someone else to start their journey. If this video sparked hope or taught you something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe with the bell icon for more natural, science-backed tips to help you age vibrantly. Thank you for spending this time with me. It's an honor to be part of your journey. I'll see you in the next video, shining brighter than ever.